guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarta Rupani and in today's video I am going to talk about another stream of Saskatchewan Nominee program. And guys, it is one of the fastest methods to come to Canada. But before I start my video, I would like to tell you that my next video would be about how to make Canadian style resume, which is also one of the most requested videos, and that would be the next. So anyways guys, without wasting any time, let's start today's video. Okay, in my last video, I spoke about Occupation in Demand Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program stream. But in this video, I am going to talk about Express Entry stream because it is the fastest way to come to Canada. And guys, it is for those who are already in Express Entry pool and want to live permanently in Saskatchewan and work there as well. And now let's just cover the requirements of this stream one by one in detail. The first requirement is education, and guys, for this stream the minimum education you need is degree, diploma or certificate. And guys, for all the education obtained outside of Canada, you need to submit an assessment report which is called ECA report from a designated organization, and this is the list of approved organizations as per IRCC. The next requirement is language test. You must have a language score of at least 6 in each skill, and that is equal to CLB level 7. Okay, now let's talk about work experience. So it should be from NOC skill level 0, A or B, and you must have 1 year of paid work experience. That means minimum 30 hours per week in a skilled occupation over the past 10 years. And guys, your work experience should be related to your degree or diploma that you have, and it shouldn't be from the excluded occupation list as specified by this stream. So guys, this is a list of occupations which are not eligible for Express Entry stream, and the link is given in the description box below. However, people with these professions may qualify for other Saskatchewan streams. Okay, now let's talk about proof of professional status or license. Some of the professions need you to have a professional license or certificate to practice in Canada. And if you want to apply to this stream, and if you want to work in one of those professions, then you need to submit additional documentation that is necessary to complete the assessment of your application. So guys, this is a list of those professions that need you to submit additional documents, and the link is given in the description box below. Now let's move on to the next. In order to qualify for this stream, you need minimum 60 points out of 100 points in the points assessment grid. So basically the point system is divided into two main factors. First is labor market success, and the other one is connection to Saskatchewan labor market. And these two factors are further subdivided into different categories such as education, work experience, age, language ability, and the total points assigned for factor 1 are 70 and for factor 2 it's 30. So the total score for both factors is 100. And out of that, you need to achieve 60 points minimum. And guys, these are the factors that are used to find out whether you qualify for an international skilled worker subcategory or not. And the immigration officer will confirm your claimed points by using your submitted documents, and the list of those required documents is this on which your points will be assessed. And guys, the link is given in the description box below. Okay, now let's see how much funds do you need for the settlement. You need to show a proof that you have funds that will support you and your family members during your job search after you arrive. The minimum amount required for your application is based on the size of your family members. For example, if you are 4 people in your house, let's say you, your husband and 2 children, then the minimum amount you need to show for 3 months is 23,542 Canadian dollars. And guys, the link of this settlement funds is given in the description box below. You can check it out. Next requirement is settlement plan that you need to provide with your documents. And guys, that you can get it from their official website, which is cic.gc.ca, and the link is given in the description box below. So this is called Living in Canada tool to create your settlement plan. So all you have to do is just answer their simple questionnaire, and if you are living outside of Canada, then you need to select this option, which is no, I applied but I'm still waiting. And after you answer their questionnaire, This tool will create your settlement plan, and guys, this is very helpful for you. So you can print or email this plan to yourself from that page in order to attach it to your application. Okay, so once you have gathered all the required documents, your next step is to apply for Express Entry subcategory. And for that, first you will have to submit an expression of interest. It is an online form that you need to fill out to show your interest to apply to the SINP. So basically it is just a pre-application process, and this is where you can create your EOI. Once you will create your account, all you have to do is just enter all the required information such as your passport number, date of birth, education, age, and all the related information that is required for your application. You can also refer the guide to create your EOI profile, which is super straightforward and easy to understand, and the link of this guide I have provided in the description box below. You also need to provide your Express Entry profile number and your job validation code, and where to find that, let me just show you. So when you submit your Express Entry profile, you receive a PDF message into your account which looks like this, and this is where you can find your Express Entry profile number and your job validation code at the bottom of this letter. And guys, I wanted to mention that when you create your account for the first time, then the login information is sent to you at your email ID, and it might take few hours, and if you don't receive that email within few hours, then you should check your junk mails, because this is where I received my login information. And after the submission of your EOI profile, if you meet the selection criteria, you will receive an invitation to submit an application, and all the instructions will be provided to you into your invitation. And the fee is $350 for the application, and you must pay online by Visa or MasterCard. And guys, you can check the estimated processing time for past applications on this page, and the link is given in the description box below. And if you're nominated by Saskatchewan, then your next step is to update your Express Entry profile, and in order to do that, all you have to do is just go to your IRCC account where you have submitted your Express Entry profile, and just answer yes for the question, have you received a nomination certificate from a province or territory? Then you have to select yes, and for province you need to select Saskatchewan and click save and exit, and you're done. Once you update your Express Entry profile to show that you have a nomination, then wait for Saskatchewan to confirm your nomination with IRCC so that they can send you a message in your account where you can accept the nomination into your IRCC account. And as soon as you accept the PNP from Saskatchewan, you will get a letter that confirms that you have received 600 additional points, and those points will help you to get invitation to apply for permanent residence under Express Entry. And guys, let me quickly walk you through the steps to apply for permanent residence under Express Entry. Now this is the page at their official website, which is cic.gc.ca, and all you have to do is just sign into your IRCC account with the help of GC key. And when you log into your account, you will see a link under Express Entry for the permanent residence. I'm not able to show you the link because I do not have ITA. However, guys, there is nothing to worry because all the instructions will be given in your ITA for permanent residence, and you will have 60 days only to submit your online application for the PR, and your application fee is $1,040, and the processing time depends on your application. It could be from 2 to 6 months. Okay, now let's talk about the factors that may increase the chances of getting your PNP. Now these are the factors that can make your application stronger for getting PNP, such as if you have job offer from Saskatchewan, or if you are graduate from any institute of Saskatchewan, or if you have any relative living there. These factors could increase your points in order to get you your PNP from Saskatchewan. Okay, now let's talk about the recent selection results for ITAs which were sent to candidates who applied to Saskatchewan Express Entry stream. And guys, as you can see, the lowest score in recent draw is 69, which was conducted on January 13th, 2020. And it's been few months. It is just stuck at this point. So guys, I would recommend that you may want to increase your score by improving your IELTS results or getting more work experience or maybe adding extra educational credentials that may increase your chances of getting PNP for Saskatchewan. Okay, so that was pretty much it for today, and if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.